how to enable or disable show completed reminders for reminders widget on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on the reminders widget. Next, tap on settings. In the widget settings page, go down and tap on show completed reminders. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. After that, tap on the save button to save the changes. So here, if I go back in and change the settings, so here I will turn off show completed reminders and then tap on save. And you can see here the list should be updated once an item has been completed. It will be removed from the list. So here, when I tap on the radio box or the checkbox, it will indicate that this item has been completed. And that's it. Thank you for watching.